Hello there. An unsettled few days for all of us, really, all thanks to low pressure that is moving in and going to be dominating our weather as we head throughout Tuesday, Wednesday and even into Thursday. Through Tuesday afternoon, it's been bringing these weather fronts towards western areas of the UK and quite a squeeze in those isobars there. So as we head throughout the rest of this evening and overnight, there's the risk of gales through the Irish Sea and then transferring over to eastern areas of Scotland. Some quite heavy rain for Northern Ireland and southwestern Scotland to begin with, that then also pushing its way northwards, probably falling as snow over the higher grounds of the Grampians and upland areas here. Generally, the rain will clear its way off for Northern Ireland, Wales and England, still with some showers lingering across western areas. But underneath some of the clearer intervals we do have, particularly in the east, temperatures will be dropping down into mid-low single figures. That is enough for a touch of grass frost in some sheltered spots. So still some showers first thing on Wednesday morning in the west. Those two could be wintry over the higher grounds of Erie and the Pennines. And then we've got this second pulse of rain that starts pushing its way back in for Northern Ireland, Wales, southwest England, accompanied again by some very strong winds, the risk of 40-50 mile an hour gusts inland, but 60 mile an hour across coastal areas as well. Temperatures really quite disappointing for the time of year, a couple of degrees below where we should be, but where we add on the strength of those blustery winds, it's really going to be feeling quite cold for many of us. If you do step outside, you'll probably feel more like 2, 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. The lightest winds generally across Scotland, but elsewhere it is going to be really quite breezy even into Wednesday evening, and the risk of gales continuing along the southern coast of England. The showery rain continuing to push its way northwards and eastwards, so particularly for parts of Argyll and Bute down into the Scottish borders and northern areas of England, we could see rain on and off throughout the night. But some clearer spells developing across Wales and into central eastern areas of England. Again, underneath those clearer spells, temperatures will fall off. Still a bit of a breeze around, so that will reduce the risk of any widespread frost developing, but certainly for all of us will be down towards those low single figure marks. So it's quite a chilly start to Thursday morning. Some brightness where you've got those clear intervals for Wales, southern areas of England, but still quite cloudy in the north. Some longer spells of rain particularly persisting across western areas of Scotland. Throughout the rest of Thursday, the winds will ease down now across parts of Wales, central southern areas of England. There's some sunny spells developing, so hopefully a bit more of a pleasant day here. But where we've got the showers persisting, again, Northern Ireland, southern areas of Scotland into northern England, it will still remain quite blustery throughout the day as well. Temperatures, again, around 10, now perhaps more 12 degrees Celsius in the south, so still slightly below where we should be. But again, those winds easing out ever so slightly, just making it feel that bit better, certainly, compared to Wednesday. As we look further on into the week, we are expecting further unsettled conditions, particularly into Friday, where there's potential for further rain across southern areas of the UK. As we move towards Saturday, the potential that things may settle down a touch, but there's still always the chance of further rain pushing into northern and western areas. But for all of us, temperatures are looking to climb as we head into the weekend, if not moving now towards slightly above average for the time of year. You can keep up to date with the full forecast for the forthcoming week by following us on all of our social media channels, and we'll be back here on the website, on the app and on YouTube very soon. Bye-bye.